And what is happening? You're panicked, you're choking. Even if it is 94, 96, 93, you're not able to breathe. First thing when they're calling me and asking me कि ऑक्सीजन कम हो गया, सिलेंडर चाहिए, I will ask them, मुझे फोटो चाहिए कि आपने कौन सी उंगली पकड़ के ये किया है. Then I will say sit down, बैठ जाओ. Then after that तौलिया है, दुपट्टा है, तौलिया लो. तौलिया ढूंढने तक टाइम लगता है. सबके पास दुपट्टा होता है. All the Muslim, Hindus and everything. I ask them to hold the दुपट्टा this way. सबको साड़ी भी बांधना आता है, दुपट्टा भी फोल्ड करना आता है. Just fold it like this, fleet it. Then I am asking them to hold it this way, put it on the neck like this, so that ये इधर उधर गर्दन नहीं हिल रही है. अगर आपको तौलिया ढूंढने से मिलता है. This is not a style. This is just I'm supporting this portion here. And the second, if I ask them दुपट्टा लो और गर्दन के आगे लपटो, ऐसे बांधेंगे कि वो जो है आदमी या बेचारी वो सांस लेने से भी और कट जाएगी. So, and why I am taking this fleet, साड़ी की fleet, why I am taking this like this is, it's easy, सबको आता है. Because it is having enough of aeration here, it is fluffy. ऐसे घुमाओ तो it will become hard. Fold किया तो flat. So when you make it like a fleet, it is fluffy. Take it like this. Put it across the neck and pull it across here. ये तो आप गांड भी बना से तो होगा नहीं. See, there is a space here. And then it is coming here, it is giving a space. This one. And okay, this is one with a dupatta. Then this is with a towel. Towel hai, towel lo, fold karo. Keep the towel here at least and ask the person to lie down and breathe up. This is with a towel. You can also do it this way. This is with a towel. You're giving the support. Suddenly when you put the neck, it is pulling. But when you just keep the towel and put it up, this. Then, thoda संभलने के बाद, then you allow you to check, it is fine. Then you have the pillow. कहाँ गया pillow? I'm holding here, everything I'm here. Hold the pillow, put it on the backrest. One. Second, they're asking for the prone position. I can just इसको लेटाओ, ऐसे भी कैसे भी करके लेटाओ, just like this. And सोफे पर यहाँ पे होता है ना, keep the head here and lie down. Just keep the head here and lie down. Okay, most of the time. या फिर try to lie down on the right side rather on the left side. So lie down and breathe. This is at least helping them. Somebody can support पैर ऊपर लो या पैर ऊपर करो, something like this. Even lying down also like this. You know what? They are screaming, they are shouting. Suddenly they will drop off. थक जाते हैं. Just put the pillow down and ask them to keep their hands just like this. Simple, simple, simple. Relax.